Hello everyone, I'm your host Venkatesh Nadar and I've been with Wellinker Institute for more than a decade. I am student support manager and I take care of the rural outbound activities of Wellinker Institute. So without any delay, let's jump into today's topic, which is online learning, a boon in the time of global crisis. Well, to answer these, we have with us none other than our very own Professor Venkat S. Iyer.
Hi guys, this is Professor Venkat Iyer, and I've been a visiting faculty with V School for a long time. It's more than about 2 decades, I would say.
So, the first question that comes to my mind is education moved online for good?
When you say for good, we are assuming that that we will not have classrooms anymore. The education, the classroom will still remain. I'm talking about education at different levels, at the school level, at the college level, graduate level, and also the postgraduate level. So while majority of it would have got migrated into online, which is finding to be very convenient for many people in terms of hardware and software, I think it will not be completely migrated. A section of education will still remain as a classroom. See, let's face it, when COVID happened way back in last year around March, April, nobody was ready for anything. And eventually human beings, they adjust to a change per force, and by when they're adjusting to a change per force, they start adapting. There's two different words. Adjustment is painful, adaptation is something which I accept and I start taking it. So what's actually happened, Venkat, in the last few years, few months since we have been into COVID, is that people have gradually started adapting to the whole teaching process. Let me give you my own example. As you know that I take these personal contact program, which is actually done at the Wellinker premises for every quarter of a new batch intake. At the same time, we conduct virtual classes right from Wellinker out there, right? Now, in the last about almost a year, there's a 4th batch which I've been doing right now. We have been doing it from home. Yes, initially it was painful. Initially, there was the adaptation issue. Although we are adapted to this whole thing for a long time, but sitting at home and doing it is a different ball game altogether. Work from home as you call it. So the challenge is that gradually, as the time has progressed, we have got adapted with the ambience, with the type of structure, and with the type of student behavior that happens behind the scenes, which is very different. So it's changed, but at the same time, I would say there is a lot to be done, tweaking to be done on this area, and it's not come to stay for sure. It's a temporary phenomenon, according to me, and I'm seeing the future having a combination of online as well as classroom.
Sir, can you also tell us a little bit about the PGDM hybrid program at V School, and do you really think that implemented in the program?
We have been into online for a long time. Online is nothing new for us. And as you know, Venkat, you have been around for a decade. I've been there for almost double the time in Wellinker. I've been there from the start of the course itself when it was in a nascent stage. And believe me, year after year, batch after batch, we have improved upon the technology, and I can safely claim that we are experts in this. Today we are handling, the bandwidth is amazing if you can think about it. Imagine just last week, I had a new batch of 900 students online. 900 students, hold your breath. And these 900 students, as you know, one of my colleagues, he was handling them smoothly except for a few glitches here and there. Now that goes to show that our partnering, the choice of technology, the choice of partners, and the way we guys are doing it is amazing. I'm very proud of it. I'm very, very proud of it. And I think we are going to the next level, and that's a competitive edge we have over the other people who are also conducting such things.
So, sir, can you tell me what are the special features of the PGDM hybrid program of V School?
If you talk about special features, they are really humongous. That's a word I can use. So many features which is unheard of, not offered by anybody else as I see it. Let me begin with, first and foremost, we have an intake, as you know. We got 4 batches in a year, in one calendar year. With a Jan batch, there's an April batch, there's a July batch, and an October batch. Now, each batch has got what is called as a midterm session, at the same time an end-term session, which is unheard of anywhere. Nobody has done this. We've put in so much of efforts to have student contact. I repeat, student contact. And we have what are called as virtual class lectures, which is you can sit at home and you can attend it once you enroll for the program. And we also have personal contact programs for students who are willing to come to the institute, and we have a classroom session that happens every 3 months, new batches, right? That's the first important feature. We are calling it hybrid, as you know. What do you mean by hybrid? It's a combination of distance and contact. That's very important. There was a time when distance learning was only distance and it was too distant away. So we are making conscious efforts, as you know, Venkat. What we are doing is we are trying to ensure that the student contact with the college and with the faculty and the value addition is very high, as you know. So to facilitate that, what we do is we have online videos which are uplinked on the subjects. Every subject, every book, we got online videos. We also have online video on lots of subjects of lots of themes. It runs to thousands. We have a lot of reading material from different sources which gets updated on real-time basis. So any student want to refer to anything like a behavioral economics, or somebody has to go and refer to something on, say, the stock market or the prices of gold, anything that is to do with the business management student, it's all available, as you know. We are also offering value-added activities. These value-added activities are nothing but, if you call it, training programs. So on weekends, students are invited and they can select a big menu card is given about the various workshops which we conduct. The students come there and they go through an entire day of activities and learning. We want the people's behaviors to evolve into a business behavior, making them industry ready.
Well, so as you know, there are a lot of students across the globe who are aspiring to get an MBA degree. How do you see a Wellinkar hybrid program student having an upper edge or certain privileges over other students who enroll online? And I want you to be really very honest.
Sure. The very fact that, please emphasize on the word hybrid. Hybrid is a process which we have unleashed. Now, first and foremost, the online program has got easy to absorb sessions. One can sit at home and get the sessions at home live, like the virtual class session A. They are also given a choice to come over to the institute and have once in 3 months, what are called as personal contact programs.
Oh yeah.
Wherein we actually cover quite a lot of the detailed portion in the form of a question answers and a lot of involvement with examples and case studies and all that. Besides that, we also are offering them, as you know, videos on every subject, every chapter by the authors. Okay, and most of the people who are doing it are all from industry. That's an important thing to be understood. Okay, what stands out about this course importantly is that we are emphasizing the very fact that we have given this tag hybrid. The focus was to give them skills, and skills are nothing but doable actions which actually take you towards higher things in life. Now, any organization would like to have a skills ready student, a person who can actually join the company and start working without loss of time. Now here what we are doing is, although many people are not able to physically come to the institute and study, we are offering them the same facility, and I would say much more, looking at what I've gone through in the last decade or so, which is extremely value added.
Well, sir, true to its name, online learning, a boon in the time of a global crisis. Today's session with you as our guest has been a real boon for the students, for me, and I'm sure to all our listeners. So why don't you just give a bird's eye view of this entire journey of the hybrid program for our prospective students?
Sure. I can tell you one thing safely, friends. This is one course which is offering you everything that you want with the type of restraints that you have with you. This is one course that is going to make you ready to face industry with the type of hybrid which we are offering you in terms of contact as well as distance and all the other facilities which are offering you online. This course is definitely going to make you a champion. Come forward, enroll, be with us and add value. All the best.
Well, friends, for the ones who are looking to enroll for the PGDM hybrid program, all you have to do is log on to our website www.wellinkaronline.org. I repeat, it's www.wellinkaronline.org, and let's start your journey of the excitement and upgrading your qualification with this hybrid program. Well, I would like to thank our guest, Professor Venkatesh Iyer.
Thank you.
Sir, you have shared very great and deep insights. Thank you for giving all your views. Well, see you next week with a new guest, and please do subscribe to our channel, and I will see you later.